All right, let's jump right into this explainer and completely break down the anatomy of a ransomware attack.
This stuff has caused billions in damage worldwide, literally turning your everyday files into digital hostages.
So, what's actually happening behind that terrifying lock screen? Let's retrace the attacker's exact footsteps. The attack chain is surprisingly methodical. It starts small, but ends in total lockdown.
It all starts with a break-in, like a sneaky phishing email, where they set up quiet, permanent persistence. Once they're in, they move laterally, grabbing stolen credentials to hunt down your most valuable data.
Then, snap, the trap closes. They scramble your files into total, unreadable gibberish.
It's basically a safe inside a safe. An AES key locks the files, and an RSA key locks that key. The scary part? Only the attacker holds the unique private key to actually unlock the whole shebang.
But wait, it gets worse. With double extortion, they steal your data before locking it for extra leverage.
They're even using triple extortion now, hitting you with a DDoS attack to really dial up the pressure.
Staring at a total network nightmare, you're probably thinking, should we just pay up and move on? Here's the harsh truth. Paying often completely fails. Tools glitch, attackers lose keys, and you become a target.
Okay, since paying is a trap, how do we actually burglar-proof our networks against this mess?
You've got to segment your networks, shut down unused remote ports, patch everything fast, and deploy EDR tools. But honestly, the ultimate cure is an offline immutable backup. That means it literally cannot be altered.
Like the quote says, a tested offline backup is your only reliable defense. Everything else, just mitigation.
You have to test them before disaster strikes. So honestly, could your backup survive a ransomware attack today?